something very very ladylike, very mature. Because when people think about a feminine space, they think, okay, we are going pink or very blush. Well, there's a way you can go about it and still look super feminine but super sophisticated. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite space fairy, Regina Odera at Kakodot. Today I'm going to be sharing 5 amazing, beautiful tips to flip your space, give you that feminine touch. My number 1 tip will be for you to pick your color palette. So I always like to narrow it down to 3 colors. We can decide to go with pink or blush. Let's go with pink. Let's choose pink, white, and then gray. Now I put pink there because pink is very feminine and it's very ladylike, it's very childish, playful. It's a very beautiful and very sexy color when used rightly. My number 2 tip will be for you to pick an interior design style. So I'll decide to go with a modern interior design style. You can as well go with a contemporary interior design style. You can go with an industrial, although industrial is super masculine, but you can add your feminine touches to it. It will turn out very amazing. Number 3 tip is add something shiny. So I'm looking at picking something that has a bit of sheen to it, something metallic, something that sparkles a bit but not so much. So we will stick to picking metallic accessories or getting furniture pieces that have metallic features, such as the legs, or it could be the throw pillows on it having some kind of shimmer to it. It's just usually very sexy and elegant. My number 4 tip is for you to section out your spaces. I'm going to give you an example. If you have a living room space where you have probably have a sectional sofa, or you have like a 3-seater, 2-seater, single-seater, whatever it is, coffee table, side tables, try and place everything on an area rug to section out that area, or move to the dining section and section that area out by placing an area rug under the dining table set. It's always really elegant, and then it gives your space a specific function to its design. Enjoying the tips I'm sharing so far? Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's grow this beautiful design tribe here on YouTube. Currently, we're running e-design services, which is so amazing because I can work with you from any part of the world. You could be in South Africa, Korea, China, America, name it. I can reach out to you. You can reach out to me. Send me pictures of your spaces and let's flip it with via e-designs. Give you 3D models, different options based on what you want, and kick off the project. Follow me on Instagram at Regina Odera. Follow the team at Kakodot. And my final tip will be for you to make your space very personalized. When I say very personalized, I mean by adding items such as portraits of you, take a picture, blow it up, frame it up, put it up. It could be in small sized frames, table frames, bedside frames. Just put out something that's very personal to you. It doesn't even have to be your picture. It could be pictures of colors you like. It could be pictures of somewhere you've probably traveled to. It could be pictures of your family. It could be your pets. Something really, really personal to you, and which will totally describe you in every form of you. So yes, put up that and add that to your space, and there you go. So if you have any additional tip to this, please do indicate in the comment section. Questions, I am readily available to answer your questions. Find me on Facebook, as I said. Find me on Instagram at Regina Odera, your favorite space fairy. And Follow the team at Kakudot. See you in my next video.